What's up YouTube, welcome back to another Fix It episode, and today we'll be putting on back the AC compressor belt. We'll be changing the power steering belt as well, and also we'll be fixing the alternator belt, which is located right here. As you can see, we have all the belts, and let's stay tuned. Alright, we get right into it. Alright guys, the reason why I'm jacking up the car is because we have to pull off the wheel to get some access from the crankshaft pulley. So we're going to take off the wheel and we have to tear down the whole left side and get to the crankshaft pulley as well. Okay, so we have to get access from this side back straight up to the top. So we are going to pull down the top now, and then we can see where it takes us from there. Guys, as you can see, I already pulled down the underneath here. So I'm moving back to the top. So we're gonna search a boat like these. I don't know if you can see it, but this helps to tension the power steering. You have a bolt that tension the compressor as well down there. You have a bolt right here that tension the belt of the alternator. You can adjust it back and forth to get it all loose or all tight you want it. So I'm going to try to free them up and get the belt off. As you can see, the power steering is loose. So I finally get the power steering to loose up, so I can finally take off the belt. But it's kind of tight, so alright, I'm moving back around to the crankshaft pulley. Let's see right here. Alright. This is the power steering belt. You can see this belt has been worn out. This belt has been dry rotten. Alright, we're going to match back the old belt with the new belt. Alright guys, so it's basically the same thing. Alright guys, I'm going to try to take off the alternator belt now. Alright, so for the alternator, this one is kind of a bit difficult, so I have to loosen up a bolt right off here in order for it to be free. So maybe a power tool, or I'm just going to try use this ratchet angle and see how this works. Alright guys, it has been loosened. Alright, finally. Yes guys, finally. Finally guys. So I can take out the belt now. So here's the alternator belt coming off, just like that. Alright, you see those cracks? That is showing you that the belt is deteriorating. Yes, so I'm going to try and match it with a new one to make sure that it's the correct one. So this is the new alternator belt. This one look a bit taller, but I hope it can work. Alright guys, as I said, it's time to put back on the new belts. Yeah, all the old belts have been removed, so it's time to replace them with the new ones. I'm going to try to catch it from up here on the top now. Alright guys, I think I have to take out this belt because this belt is too tall. I've adjusted it right back and the belt is loose same way, so I have to take it out back. Oh. Alright guys, I think I may have to just work with the old belt for the time being. As I said, the new belt that I bought is too tall, so I'm going to put on this old one. So I think whenever I get time, I have to go back to the other parts place. If I can't change in one that I bought, I'll just get a different one. So I'm going to put on the old alternator belt. The alternator, the older one is very, very short, you know, than the new one. But I'm going to try and get it replaced. Alright guys, so I've been trying to get the AC belt on. I've been trying to get to pull. I've been trying to pull this. This is the side, one of the side engine mode. This is the compressor, AC compressor. There's a few eye leaks underneath here. I need to get a undercarriage wash to find where the eye leaks is coming from. But I've been trying to get this to pull, but it is giving me a one time. Because I have to pull this in order for the belt to go on this and to the pulley. And as you can see, the tension is right off there. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so we finally get one of these drill thingy, power tool, to pull the engine out that I was talking about. So we're gonna get it off and then we can get to put on the AC belt. Alright. Finally get it on. Um, Alright guys, I guess that's it. This thing almost about two hours, few hours to do. Alright, so maybe just do like a run over. What am I do? If you made it this far. Alright, so guys, so these are the power steering. I'm gonna zoom out a bit. So these are the power steering pump right here. So so I pump the fuel down. It send the fuel to the rack and pinion. So I have to end up change the belt. The AC belt now. AC belt is located. Hold on, I'm gonna need the car. Alright, much better. So these are the AC belt. We get the AC belt on. These are the alternator belts right here. So everything run off of the crankshaft pulley. So these are the crankshaft pulley. Yeah. So these are the AC. No, these are the alternator belt. However, the alternator belt when they buy the too tall, so I'm going to either carry back or just buy a different one. But easy changes. Easy change. So whenever I buy it, quick change. So I just put it on the wheel now. Get back the wheel on. And let them the car. So basically that's it. I really want to hold up your time. So thanks for watching. I never nothing very hard, very easy. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Alright. Bless you.